You're watching How Leap. Let's see the iPhone settings that can almost double your battery life. First, enable low power mode from settings, then battery or via control center. This reduces background activity. Second, go to settings, then general, then background app refresh and set it to Wi-Fi or off entirely. Third, manage location services. Go to settings, then privacy and security, then location services. Set apps you rarely need location for to never or while using the app. Disable precise location for most apps. Fourth, reduce screen brightness and enable auto brightness in settings, then accessibility, then display and text size. Fifth, turn off raise to wake in settings, then display and brightness. Sixth, limit notifications. Go to settings, then notifications, and disable non-essential app alerts. Seventh, update your iOS regularly for optimized battery performance. Eighth, use dark mode in settings, then display and brightness, which saves battery on OLED iPhones. Ninth, disable unnecessary widgets on your home screen and Today view. 10th, in mail settings, set push to fetch and increase the fetch interval. These changes significantly reduce power consumption without crippling functionality. For more simple battery life tutorials, subscribe to the channel.